Right, so let me shut down my generator. There we go. We take it off the smart thing there. Okay, there's Rocky. This is my refrigerator that I bought. We'll open it up here. We'll take the straps off it, I guess, eh? We will. Oh, there we go. We got a cut for the straps here with my sharp knife. There we go. There's one strap. One strap. Ooh, these are long straps, aren't they? There you go. All the way around it. Yeah. Yeah, they do. There we go. There's another strap. Two straps. There we go. All right. And last but not least, free straps. With taxes in and everything, it come to $133. Okay, now, let me see here. First thing we got to do, we got to cut through this box here somehow. Hey, you're a good boy. Very appreciative of you. I am. Alrighty. There we go. Ooh, look, styrofoam. Oh, look at that, hey? Nice piece of styrofoam. We'll put that right over here. We will. There we go. All right, there's the top of the refrigerator. Now, I think what I'm going to do next, really, is I'm going to cut it right down through here. You know, I maybe should have taken it out of the wheelbarrow first, eh? All right. Well, I'll do that, and I'll unbox it, and then I'll get back to you. There's Rocky. Okay, we see you later.